Hi, I bought this BD Veritor system from Walgreens. It is an at-home COVID-19 test kit. It has two tests per box. They didn't have the single one, but I was not feeling so well, and I wanted to try it out and see if it could give me some results. I spent about $29 on it, as you can see from the receipt, and I opened it up, tried to get it set, and try to test myself. And come to find out that my phone was not compatible. And so I called them and they said, I'm sorry, your phone is not compatible. We can't do anything for you. You got to find someone with a phone that's compatible to run this test. And I don't know anybody, and not going to go chasing people down to use their phone to run some test. So I went back to the store to get a refund, and guess what? They will not give you a refund. So this BD Veritor system to me is a load of crap. They could at least let you know at the beginning, we do not do refunds. You will not get your money back, and only certain phones this thing works with. So be very skeptical of this system. And for me, it was $30, $32 thrown down in the garbage. That's it for now. Signing out. Over and out.